Welcome, student, to our today's class. In our today's class, we are going to discuss about linear equations. So, linear equations are actually equations that either involve A, one unknown, or B, two unknowns. So, it's actually equations of straight line. They are all equations of straight lines, meaning that if we get the values from that equation in terms of the x coordinate and the y coordinate, and we present them on the x and the y axis, they are going to give us straight equation. If we can start with the linear equations with one unknown, the linear equation or equations that involve only one unknown, e.g., you can have a case like maybe 2x minus 5 is equals to maybe 13, and you are told to solve for the value of x. In this case, we normally take the right terms to one side and we remain with the unknowns on one side. Like in this case, negative 5 can be taken to the other side so that we can remain with the 2x here. So 2x is equals to 13. Negative 5 goes to the other side to be plus 5. So 2x is equals to 18. So x is actually equal to 9, which is 18 divided by 2. You can have another example of maybe 13x minus maybe 5 is equal to maybe 24. The same case will apply. Let us take negative 5 to the other side. So we are going to have 13x is equals to 24 plus 5. So 13x is equals to 29. X is equals to 29 over 13, which can be simplified here to be a mixed number, which we can say it is actually 2 because of 26 and 3 over 13 and 3 over 13. So those are equations involving one unknown and which are actually simpler. You can have a question like this. Maybe it is y plus 4 over 3 is equals to 6 over maybe 9. You are given an equation like that, and then you are supposed to work for the value of y, which is the unknown in this case. The first thing you do anytime you are given equation that is involving fractions, you multiply everywhere by the LCM. In this case, the LCM of 3 and 9 is actually 9. So multiply everywhere by 9. So we are going to have 9 into y plus 4 over 3 is equals to 6 over 9. Then we multiply by 9. So 3 will go to 9 3 times, and 9 and 9 will cancel out. So we are going to have 3y plus 4 is equals to 6. So 3y, let us take positive 4 to the other side to be negative. So it's going to be 6 minus 4. So 3y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 over 3, like that. Let us look at a more advanced example where you can have an equation like this. 2x plus 2 over 5 is equals to x plus 1 over 3. And you are told, can you work for the value of x? The same case will apply. First of all, get the LCM of 5 and 3. In this case, that LCM is 15. Then multiply everywhere by 15, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So we are going to have 15 into 2x plus 2 over 5 is equals to 15 into x plus 1 over 3. Then we are going to find that 5 will go to 15 3 times, and 3 will go to 15 5 times. So we are going to have 3 into 2x plus 2 is equals to 5 into x plus 1. And actually, we have removed the fractions. So this is the same as 6x plus 2 is equals to 5x plus 5, which will actually give us what? It will give us, let us have the unknowns on one side. So we have 6x. Let us take negative 5x to this side so that it is minus 5x is equals to 5. 2 will go to the other side to be minus 2. We are going to find 6x minus 5x is actually 1x is equals to 3. And you find your answer like that. So this kind of equations are normally made easier or simpler if you multiply everywhere by the LCM. If you don't multiply everywhere by the LCM, it's going to be a bit difficult for you to work out on that particular equation. We can look at another case whereby you have got an example like this: x plus 5 over maybe 5 plus 2 minus x over 4 is equals to maybe it is 1 over 2. It's given like that. So get the LCM of all the denominators. So LCM of 5, 4, and 2, which is actually equal to 20. So multiply everywhere by 20. So we are going to have 20 into x plus 5 over 5 plus 20 into x minus, sorry, it is 2 minus x over 4, this is 2, is equals to 20 into 1 over 2. So you will realize 5 will go here 4 times, 4 will go here 5 times, and here 2 will go 10 times. So we are going to have 4x plus 20, if you open the bracket here, plus 5 times 2, which is actually 10, minus 5x is equals to 10. Let us put all the unknowns on one side so that we have 4x minus 5x, 4x and negative 5x is equals to 10. Then 10 will go to the other side to be minus 10. 20 will go to the other side to be minus 20. So you will find negative 1x, because of 4 minus 5 is negative 1x, is equal to actually negative 20. So we can divide by negative 1 here by negative 1 so that we have positive x on this side is equals to 20. And actually that is what you need to do. The moment you have multiplied everywhere by the LCM, then your work becomes very simple and you are able to work out on that particular equation like that. Those are examples of linear equations involving only one unknown. One unknown meaning that if it is x, it is only x that is not known all through that particular equation. So basically that is what we're supposed to do. And when I shall be coming in our subsequent lessons, I'm going to demonstrate now on how we work out linear equations involving two unknowns. Thank you very much.